Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how to create your first CrackMe, and this is what it looks like. Simple Serial exe. So when you click on it, it will open up and show you edit input, where you can type your serial key and click on check, and it says wrong serial key. But if you were to type the correct serial key and click check, it says correct key and thank you. And there's also a group box with a message caption saying enter serial, and there's an icon of a cat. So let's get started. So let's fire up your C++ builder. And then click on File, New, Windows VCL Application, and then over here select the release build by double clicking on it, and the target we shall leave it at 32-bit. If you wanted to build for 64-bit, then all you need to do is right click, add platform, and select 64-bit OK, and you will get a 64-bit. Next thing is to right click on this and change the name. Right click on the project exe, rename it, and let's call it Serial, Simple Serial. Now we are going to save everything, so we click File, Save All, and we are going to save it in this location, C++ Builder Projects, and we are going to create a new folder. So click on New Folder 05 Simple Serial, then open it and click Save, and then now save again for the header file, save again for the project file. Alright, there you go. Now we are going to design, so click on the form and let's change the caption to Simple Serial, and we are going to change the icon. So let's click on this form, go to the icon and load, and let's download cat. So you can head over to this website, Icon Archive, and search for cat, and then you can download any cat image you like. So I'll download this one. After downloading, just cut it and put it in your project folder. '05 Simple Serial. That's your icon. Now we can select the icon, click open, and click OK. So now you have a cat icon. Do the same thing for the exe. Right click on exe, and then over here let's change the options, and over here linker, set the linker to static build. Uncheck this so that it becomes one single standalone rather than depending on DLLs. Go down to packages, front-end packages, uncheck this as well so that it becomes a standalone. Next, go to the appearance and select the style that you want. So the style here you can choose from this website. Go and look for the Embarcadero, and this is the one, appearance style, and you can choose the style that you like from here. So let us try this one. Iceberg Classical. So let's come back here and select Iceberg Classical. And make sure the default style is also Iceberg Classical. Iceberg Classical. And then the icon. Load the icon. And click on this cat icon which you downloaded earlier. Click OK. And click Save. So make sure it's a release build. And now if you were to give it a test run, it will build the project. We are just going to take a look at what it looks like before we proceed further. So this is what Iceberg Classical looks like. If you're okay with this, you can close it. There's a cat icon there. Now we can start to add components, objects to the form. So we are going to add a group box. So scroll down here, standard. Look for T group box and then click on here. And then on top here you can change the caption and say enter serial. Inside the group box you can put edit box. So select edit from here and click inside and you have edit there. Next you can put a button. So come back here. Okay, let's change the name of the edit box. So come back here and change the name. This is the name that we use internally by the code. So we call it edit serial. And then for text we are going to leave it blank. So we go to the text property and delete the text. Press enter. Next we are going to put a button. So go here and select the T button. Click here. Now the caption we want to say check, and the name of the button, let us change it to btn check. Done. Now we can resize it, and then we can now go and write code. So click on check. You can double click to open the code editor, or you can come to here, events, and under on click you can double click here as well. So it will insert the event handler, a button handler. So the first thing we want to do is to extract the serial key text. So over here we are going to create a string called serial key and assign it the edit serial text. Next we are going to check if the serial key is correct. So we use a compare function, and then we can put any serial key you want. Let's say ABC-1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, sorry, shouldn't be should be like this, yeah. Right. So in the code block, if the serial key is correct, then we'll show a message box. So we'll call the static method from the application class called message box, and message box accepts a long string. Long means Unicode. This will be the caption, correct key. This will be the message, message, and then the caption comes next. It's also a Unicode, and the caption will be say thank you. Next we want to specify the type of button. In this case there will be an OK button, and we will also and we want to show an icon, and the icon will be icon asterisk. So that should be correct. However, if the serial key is wrong, then we have an else part over here. So the else will be triggered if the serial key is wrong, and we are going to show a message box, and the message box inside we will put sorry wrong key, and the caption will be error. And again, this time we're going to put MB an OK button, and for the icon we are going to put an error icon. So I see, so it will be icon error. That's it. So now we can test. Let's run it. Okay, there are two errors. It says no member name message box A. Down here you can see, so we just remove the A from here and we run again. Another error, no member name message box AL. Alright, there's a typo there, so I forgot the bracket. Let's try that again. Now it's okay. You see, simple serial. Let's enter a wrong serial. It says oops, correct key, serial key compare. Oh, okay, I forgot something. This one should be equal to 0. If the string is the same, then the result is 0. If the string is not same as 0, that means it's wrong. So you should compare against 0. That's how the function works. Okay, let's run. Alright, so just type anything here, and sorry, wrong key. And if you type A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct key. Alright, so that's it. So now if you want the standalone, it's already there. You can go to the project folder under Win32, release, and there you go. This one is a standalone. You can see the size is 3.9 megabytes. So you can give this to anybody. They don't need to have Embarcadero C++ builder installed, and they can run it. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you very much for watching.